Dane, are you ready to read people's minds?
Yes, I am.
I knew he was going to say that.
Was it the moon?
Oh,
Oh no, he's gone! We've lost him!
Is your word to remember? Yeah. Wait, what?
Welcome to How to Read Minds, a one-of-a-kind magic kit for kids. You won't find cheap plastic cups and balls or a silly little piece of rope here. These are incredible magic tricks designed by professional magicians just for kids. That's mental.
Oh, I'm gonna be sick.
He wears a black cape, but he can't fly, can he?
Nah.
He uses a grapple hook, doesn't he? Is your person Batman?
Yeah. We got a group of professional magicians together to ask them what tricks they do that they think kids could also perform. And we made custom versions of each trick just for this kit. But the items look normal.
The things inside this kit look like normal objects your kids will have in their school bag anyway. A notepad, a book, a pen, a pencil case, a calculator, and so much more. They may look normal, but they have secrets built in. And these can be used to perform amazing mind-reading miracles that any kid can do. And if you're worried that your kids won't be able to do these tricks, they will. It really is that easy. We guarantee it. I'm Batman. Was that right?
Yeah!
Was it Batman? Show them.
No way. He's actually Batman.
It was actually Batman, and I'm not saying I am actually Batman, but you know, Batman and myself have never been in the room at the same time, if you know what I mean. Yeah.
It begins with the letter R, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is your word to remember?
Yeah? What? How?
Kids' magic kits are usually filled with tricks for kids, but those tricks never for adults. How to Read Minds is different. I promise you, as a professional magician myself, that I use some of these tricks to perform to my grown-up audiences. Because the principles we're using are universally falling. So, we're giving them tricks that genuinely fool adults too.
Oh, what the heck? What the heck? How?
So your child will learn at least 20 mind-reading tricks. Let me walk you through just some of my favourites from the kit. They'll receive a custom copy of the Jungle Book. They can open to any page and think of a word, and bam, your child will be able to know exactly what you're thinking of. Turn to another page, and yes, your child will absolutely know that word too. We've tested it with multiple kids, and they pick it up instantly. Now, another one of my favourites is the emoji trick. These are pre-scored terrible cards with emojis, all completely random. You tear them up into individual squares, shake them up, throw them in the air, and then discard any that lay face down. You then keep doing this until you end up with one face up emoji. But guess what? Your child was able to predict the outcome of that trick before it even started. Again, this trick is basically self-working, and it's amazing. Inside the kit, there's also a special marked deck of cards. We've resized what's usually made for adults to fit perfectly in a child's hands. This means less stretching, fumbling, or dropping of cards, because it's made specially for smaller hands. Okay, I can't go any further without mentioning the Switch pencil case, which switches out paper right under their nose. This means all their friends can write different things down and put them in the pencil case, like superheroes. And your kids will always know what one they've picked. It works 100% of the time. It can never fail. But there is so much taught here, including mind-reading card magic, tricks using math, special codes that they can share with their best friends, tricks that can't be seen by the naked eye, plus so much more. Each kit contains multiple props and high-quality video to help your child learn the tricks easily.
9!
And if it's an individual number, it's going to be
9!
The answer's 9. It's always 9, but yet you look like a complete crazy mind reader because they've done all this crazy calculation, but you know that in their mind, they're thinking of the number
9!
How about that? That's a good one, that.
Yeah. letter R.
Yes.
Is your word remember?
An apple or apples. Are you thinking of apples? Is that right? Shout out to me if that's right. Yeah! Oh, you're smiling. It starts with remember.
Oh my god. How?
Was it? Was that easy?
Yes.
Really easy?
Really easy.
That's how easy it is to read minds.
You know by now that kids are addicted to their screens. Whether it's your phone, their phone, or their iPad, they are glued to it. But the process of learning even just one trick from this magic kit gives them something that they just won't get from doom scrolling on their iPad.
We had a card trick performed on us that genuinely, I don't know how he did it. It was mind-blowing.
And I made the protection of food.
As we all know, kids love magic, and you'll love it too. Oh, something's coming through here. It's you. I'm reading your mind. You're thinking about adding it to cart. You should. It's only $50. Go on, yeah, do it. Oh, your PIN number's coming through. It's 2. This is how to read minds.